Do you want to learn how to make money online? Well, just follow these simple instructions and I'll show you how. Step 1 is to click to play the video. Step 2 is to watch it for at least 10 seconds. And step 3 is to cash out your earnings and bill. So right now, I'd like you to take a look at all of these videos right here on your phone that can help you make a lot of money online. If you're wondering how much money you can make from watching videos, consider this. If you watch for 1 hour, you can easily earn $40. If you watch for 2 hours, you can earn $80. And if you watch for 3 hours, you can earn $120. And you can do this as many times as you like. And the greatest part is that it's completely free, which means you won't need any money to get started. And yes, it's available worldwide. All you need is a smartphone or a computer to get started. And you can literally start making money right now. So in this little video,